Alright, there's another one, so you can see how thick she is. Anybody doesn't get her, she stays here. There you go. There you go. Alright, let me try to get this. It's far away. Alright. She likes to play, as you can see, she's straight, no easty vesty at the front or anything like that. So she's a pretty cool girl. This is just a cell phone camera, guys, just to let you know. There he goes. She's around 80 so pounds, so she still has a lot to grow. She's in heat right now, so there you go. I think so that's fair enough. It's a pretty good video. You don't need no pictures, so hopefully this gives you the, oh god damn, she pulls. Alright, that's it. I hope so. That's about it. So make your decision if you like her or not. There he goes. Well, back side to see how thick she is, her coloring. There's her headshot. So this is how big she is. So that's what it is. Alright, that's enough.